Hey guys, it's Tammy, and I thought I'd do a Foodie Friday. This is just some chicken that I have. I thawed it out, and then now I'm just browning it with some salt and pepper. And we are going to make some cheesy chicken broccoli, and I found this recipe online, I think on Pinterest. So I'm just going to let this brown up nicely, and then we'll put the rest of the ingredients together, and I will go over all of those, and I'm going to put some broccoli in the microwave to steam, and then we're going to bake all of this. And so I'm just going to let this, I guess, brown, and then I'll be back to share some more with you. Okay, I think the chicken looks like it's about done, so I am going to move that over into just the dish that I'm going to bake it in. So it's just a small casserole dish. Get out all that yumminess. Okay. And then I am going to add to this, let's see, I'm going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm just an eyeballer, so that was 2 chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of butter, a half packet of ranch seasoning, 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream, 1½ cups broccoli, 2/3 cup chicken broth, 1/4 cup crumbled bacon, and a ½ cup of cheese. So that's the ingredients. I didn't get out my chicken broth. Okay, so to this I'm going to add a ½ packet of ranch seasoning, which I'm just going to guess at. Usually a packet is a couple tablespoons, so I'm going to put about a tablespoon in here. With the butter and the cream cheese, and I'm going to get some liquid in here so this butter won't burn. It's a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, so I'm just going to put about a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Then I'm going to add my better than bouillon, which is what I like to use in place of chicken broth. And it's a teaspoon per every cup, so I just put a couple teaspoons in of the better than bouillon, but you know, use what you have or what you like. This is just my favorite. And then it says 4 ounces of whipped cream, or whipping cream, or cheese, cream cheese, whipped cream cheese, and this is 8 ounces, so I just need a half of this container. And you don't need to yell at me and tell me that I shouldn't use the same spoon. I know, it's my family. You're not invited for dinner. But even if you were, I'd do the same thing. I'm going to use the other one in another recipe later that I should probably show you guys. We'll see if I get to it. So it says to go ahead and add the bacon and the cheese, but you know what I'm going to do, because I am not using the steamable broccoli that I thought I was going to. I have it, but I also have fresh broccoli, so I'm just going to add some broccoli to this. And cook it in here. So I'm going to let this cook before I add the bacon and cheese. And then it also says you need some extra bacon and cheese for on top. So however much you want, I suppose. But I am cheating and using some Hormel bacon bits that are already made in a bag, because these are good and I like quick and easy. And truth be told, I even used this pan for eggs earlier today. Well, my husband did actually. So it's the same pan and the same little thinger, this thing. No sense of dirtying new stuff. So you want about 1.5 cups of broccoli. I think I caught that just in time. It was, that butter was starting to burn. It sure smells good though. I'm gonna add a little bit more broccoli. Alright, that looks pretty good. And this says to cook it for about 5 minutes on low. So I will pause you guys or put you on speed so you can see it still cook, but it's just gonna cook. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some bacon bits. It says 1/4 cup, so add some bacon to that. And 1/2 cup of cheese, which is about what I have in here. Maybe I have a little bit more than that, but hey, cheese is good for us, right? And this is low carb. And I'll let all that meld together. I'm going to add the chicken back to this. And then I'm just going to pour it all in the casserole, and then I'm going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 25 minutes. And then I'm going to top it with a little bit more cheese and a little more bacon, and then broil it for just a couple minutes, and then it'll be ready to eat. And it is early still. I got home from work and it's 4 o'clock now, so my husband isn't home, and I'm not going to put this on yet, but I am going to have it ready to go. So I will show you again later. Yummy, yummy. It smells great. I guess you can see it in the pan or in the casserole. You can see how carefully I can get this in there. This is a heavy pan. Ooh, got it. My glasses are steaming up. I'm making a mess on the stove. Alright, so that's what it looks like so far. And I must say it looks delicious. Wish you guys could try it. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm going to take it out of the oven. It's been in there for about 25 minutes. And it looks marvelous. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. And I'm going to put some bacon bits on top. And then I will broil this for a couple of minutes so that it'll get all nice and brown. And I will show you then. Okay, so that is that. Can you guys see how yummy that looks? Mmm. And I have my little plate over here. I should probably let it cool a little bit, but I'll just get a little tiny bit. And this has some chicken on it and some broccoli. Some cheese and even some bacon, I think, in this bite. Oh my goodness. You guys have to try this. It is out of this world. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It's hot, but it is so, so good. You guys have to try it. Yum, yum. Bye-bye.